Hey, N4HNH here. So if you have gotten to this video, I'll just call this, say, video 18A. That means that you've watched video number 1 through 17 in the FT-710 Aess series. The additional videos are available to members of the Patreon support team. So if you want to continue this series, I would encourage you to join the Patreon team. That is what provides the funding to help continue making these types of videos. And you can do that at patreon.com/N4HNH. And when you get there, just scroll down from the top. There's all kinds of exclusive content there for Patreon team members. And it is there according to what tier you join at. There are 3 tiers. There's associate level, executive level, and VIP. VIPs have access to everything. But if you will join the Patreon support team, you will have access to the rest of the videos in this FT-710 Aess series, starting at video number 18, or if you will, 18B, I guess, and then continuing on up through video number 35 at this point. Okay, so hey, thanks for watching videos on the channel. And I appreciate you doing that, and I appreciate the support of those who are willing to become a partner via the Patreon support team so that I can continue this mission. If you're watching a video today, it's because of a Patreon support team. It's not because of YouTube advertising. I hope it's no secret, but YouTube advertising is pennies. So it's just not enough. All right, thanks a lot, and hopefully we'll catch you over on the Patreon portal there. 73 from N4HNH.